the very top. So, ito na po ang ating cylinder. Ngayon, out of this cylinder, we are now going to shape it to another shape. In shaping naman, ang pressure manggagaling from my inside hand. So, itutulak ko siya palabas. Habang tinutulak, tinataas, dahan-dahan, dahan-dahan. Dito naman sa gitna, itulak nating paloob, dahan-dahang pataas, taas, 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 at bago naman sa pinakamataas, tulak nating palabas at magiging what you see. Sa pottery, it's about feeling. Always feel how thick or how thin, so you would know when to stop. So dito, pwede pa nating palubuin dito, and then pwede pa nating itaas